Hi guys, welcome to my channel Creative Swatches, and this is Anya. I hope you all are doing good. Today we are going to learn two new embroidery stitches, chevron stitch and tulip stitch. So get ready with your hoops. You can refer to these samples for making designs, chevron stitch and tulip stitch. And for more reference designs, you can get connected with me on my Instagram. All products used in this video are also available online. Links are provided in the description box. Guys, if you like my lessons, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. And stay tuned for more videos.